Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of XLR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. A hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. XLR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with XLR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if XLR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with XLR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank XLR for being a part of it.
was very much interested in learning digital marketing course for a very long period of time, but I don't get a proper platform. So later for my college, I get to know about XLR and I enroll in XLR course. It was really good experience. Our course has been taken by Mayur sir, and he was very good teacher. He not only focusing on theory part, he is doing how real digital marketing works, and it was in total very good experience. I get so much of knowledge. Here they not only focusing on study, they are also conducting different exam to test our knowledge, and as we are giving the exam, so to appreciate our work, they give certificates for the toppers, and along with the certificate they give hampers. Thank you, XLR.
Recently I was searching for digital marketing courses online in Google, and I came across XLR and I attended a digital marketing course which was for 15 days. My mentor Mayur helped me for attending these classes. So he is a very informative and helpful guy. In the course end, there is a exam which I topped, so I came to the XLR office in Bengaluru. This digital marketing course has helped my career and my skills to develop, and the certificate has helped my company to join. Thank you, XLR.
I came to know about this course from my college. Actually, for learning platform, this is very nice, and I learned from here ChatGPT and AI from online. Vikas is teaching for me for AI generative and ChatGPT. We are using this technology in more. And after finishing the courses, I came for collecting the certificate. I seen the classrooms and faculties. Classroom is very nice. After the completion of exam, they will give gift and certificates. Thank you, XLR, for giving these courses. I learned a lot from this. I gained more knowledge from here. And thank you for XLR for teaching us.
Hello guys, I'm Vikram Mahajan and I'm studying in Swami Vivekananda Institute of Technology College, and I came across a training program which was mobile app development using Flutter, which was given to us by XLR Solutions. I came across this program through my college faculty who told us about this program, that it is a very good course and you should enroll in this course. So I enrolled in this course, and initially I felt really good about this course because they started everything from a very basic point of view, that even if someone who doesn't know anything about Flutter or anything about mobile app development can also learn the same way the ones who know about it are learning. So no student was left behind and everyone was given equal attention. All the doubts throughout the course were cleared. And if we had any questions also, we were like, the trainer was also ready to stay for a longer time than it was scheduled, even for the sake of doubts. So that shows how important the students are to them. So it was a really good experience with XLR's program, and by the end of the training program, I was able to develop my own application. And through the development also there was another point. So our sir taught us about how we can connect our own mobile phone to our laptop and write code in our laptop, and you can see the output in your phone, which was really creative and interesting for me. I felt really good about that. So in the end, I developed my own mobile application. I showed it to my mother. I showed it to my friends. I felt really good about it. So I would really suggest XLR. I would recommend it to all my friends to take courses from here, as they focus on the children, focus on the students, and they focus on what's necessary. That is, the students' doubts gets cleared and everything else. So today I came down to the XLR office like to collect my certificate. So I got to know about what other courses XLR is offering. It included data analysis, data analyst, social media marketing, and full stack Java, and many more courses which were interesting, and they gave us an insight of how everything happens, and they take you through the course from the starting of the course to the end, and what next, that is placements as well. How you should be going into the interviews and how you should be approaching to companies, your resume building, and there were so many things which XLR is going to help you in, and they are ready to give you all the knowledge required even if you are a beginner. So I really felt good about this visit, and I would really recommend XLR to everyone who's listening to this, and also to all my friends, that I had a very good experience with XLR, and I would suggest you to experience the same. Thank you.
Hello everyone.
A very good afternoon, dear faculty members. I hope you're all doing well. I request please inform your colleagues to join the session as soon as possible. Ethics sir, good afternoon.
Yeah, hi, very good afternoon.
You can start the sessions.
Yeah, I hope I am audible to everyone.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay. So, hello everyone, very good afternoon again. So, welcome back. The third day of our FDP, where today's focus will be working on LangChain. So, again, there are some steps required to work with LangChain. So, yes, it's a humble request that you please ask your colleagues to join, your friends to join, because before moving ahead with the actual practical, we need to go and get some APIs from the platforms, and I will be helping you how to get those APIs. Mhm. So yes, again, we can interact from the chat box. If you have got anything to ask or say, yes, you can use the chat box like the previous two classes. So before moving ahead with the actual practical, I have got a very small question for everyone. Ever heard about the term LangChain, or ever worked with the term LangChain, or the whole LangChain platform or framework as well? No, I haven't shared my screen yet. I haven't shared my screen yet. I will be sharing in a moment. Only heard. Okay, fine. So anyone who has heard about LangChain, again, the very basic question, uh, what you know about LangChain, or what you mean by the LangChain? Yes, come on, tell me. It connects you with the database across the various data source. That's correct, Sonali ma'am. That's correct. Yes, everyone. If you have ever heard of building chatbots, that's correct. So LangChain, yes, application. If I just talk about the application, yes, we do take the help of LangChain to build the chatbots. That's correct. Anything else from anyone else? Working tech using Rasa. Okay, fine. Using Rasa. If you are already working with Rasa framework. Okay, fine. So yes, the one who are not aware of LangChain. So LangChain is basically, I can talk about a place or a framework where we are trying to build some application, some LLM application or the application using LLMs. Like I can just talk about ChatGPT, I can talk about Claude, I can talk about Llama. There are a number of platforms that we have got. How come? It basically helps you to connect the models, the data, memory, and the logic. These are the four factors. You talk about any application, you will always see there will be four different things. Very first thing is that you're trying to connect the model. Yes. Along with the model, you are also trying to come up with some data, what data you will be working with. Fine. You're also working with your memory required to store the data. Also, yes, when you go for the next part, by default, the logic is required. Yes, so these are the four different parts that come into picture when we are talking about our LangChain or any platform, not just this thing, but any platform. Yes. So yes, every time when we talk about LangChain, even today we will be building on chatbot. Fine. Today we will be building on chatbot with the help of your Gemini API, with the help of your LangChain API. So we will be working with the multiple factors here. Fine. So we will be coming up with the not a very end-to-end chatbot because I'm expecting that to come up with the next session. But today's session will be the overview and the application of your chatbot, where at the end, yes, we can come up with our own this thing chatbot. Fine. So how this LangChain works? If you remember, yesterday we have discussed about the frameworks. Yesterday we have discussed about the various things about the LLMs. We have discussed about the yesterday we have discussed about the transformer also, right? The Hugging Face. We have worked with the Hugging Face transformer. So if you remember yesterday, we have tried working with Hugging Face. So yes, we have got LLM. We are trying to connect over the various transformers, and based on that, we are able to get some outcome. Where yes, by default, the embedding, the transformation, vectors, by default comes into picture. That is a by default thing. You say it or not, those are the things by default that comes into picture. There's not even a thing that we are expecting. Okay, we might consider yes or no. It will be by default there. We are by default working with this like with these techniques. Similarly, embeddings we were working with here, we will be asking some question. We will be making our machine to work with, and based on that, we will be able to come up with the final LangChain model. Okay, fine. I'm not going much more in the detail in theory part, as we will be focusing on the practicals moreover. So here, let's start with the practicals. So again, can I get a thumbs up if we are ready for the practical? Because yes, we will be going with multiple platforms to get the APIs, and based on that, we can move ahead. Yes. Okay, fine. I get some two, three. Okay, four thumbs up. What about others? Yes, guys. I will be copying and pasting the link. Meanwhile, yes, even you please try from our own side. Yes, if you try from your own side, then it will be easy for you to move ahead. And please do not copy my this thing API. Anyways, after session is done, I will be like closing up the API thing. I will delete the API. But the problem is, if suppose by any chance, if you any one of you is copying my API, then again my quota will be over and I won't be able to go with the whole practical. I'm supposed to go and generate the new one, so that will be a problem. That will be a hectic task. So it will like go with a small problem. Anyways, I have that set of part ready with me. I will unshare my screen and then I will run, and accordingly I won't be sharing my API, but still, fine, but still. So let's move ahead. So we will be working with the two different APIs. One will be the LangChain API and one will be the Gemini API. So let me just do one thing. Let me just make my machine install some of the required libraries, and accordingly I can go and I can install my I can go for my APIs. Fine. Very first thing, I'll change my GPU to have a bit optimized scenario. Let's start, everyone. Very first thing is that we will be importing the LangChain library. So yes, we will write the command as pip install uh, LangChain. We will install LangChain underscore community. And then we will install LangChain underscore Google underscore GenAI. So let's see any yes or no. Yes. So please make sure of the keyword that I'm installing. So I'm pasting it in the chat box. Yes, we will be getting our own API. I will show you the steps. Fine, I will show you the steps. Very first thing, I will go for the LangChain API. You can just search for LangChain. You can just search for API key, the very first link. Scroll down, as you can see, create an account and API key. So I will just click on the very first link. I already have my account, so I can just move ahead, scroll down here. You can see set a workspace. 1 second, please. I'll share the link with you. Yes. So from here, you can get your own API key for the LangChain. Yes, it's either you can go for this one, or else we have got one more API dot Smith dot LangChain LangChain dot. This is one of the link. You can see your chat box. HTTPS api.smith.langchain.com. I've shared two links with you. You can go for any link. You will get something like this, and from there you can click on plus API key. The description will be, I have gave the description here. As you can see, chatbot with LangChain. Yes, see this I have made in the month of July. Fine. So and now is September. So very long back. Yes, I can use the same API key. We'll click on API key. You will give the description as this thing. Control V. That is your lang chain underscore. Sorry, yeah, chatbot with LangChain. Anything is fine. You can give your own name also. Personal access, fine. Never is fine. And then workspace, I have by default made like workspace one. And then you can just click on OK. That's all. You can just click on OK. It will create a new LangChain, the API key for you. Yes, I have shared as the confirmation. See one thing, here you will have something LSV2 underscore PT underscore, and then will be a very this thing. Fine. So yes, you can do it here. Yes, once done, you can please just give me a thumbs up. The link I have shared with you, from there you can see the top side plus API key. From here you can create. The description will be name, this one, chatbot with LangChain, anything is fine. You can have your name also. It will ask you for the login. Yes, so you can take your Google account login. That is fine. Yes. Once and please, you can just give me a thumbs up. Accordingly, I can move ahead. Okay, I've got one thumbs up. Others, I'm waiting for others. Okay, I've got two thumbs up, three thumbs up. I can get two more out of the crowd of 375. Two more, please. Okay, one more. Okay, fine. So means I can say, okay, that you guys have like got your API key for the LangChain. Now, similarly, you can go for the new tab. You can just search for Gemini API. Yes, it will go for Gemini Studio. Again, yes, again, mine is already there. In the month of July itself, I have made, actually, I had one session for the working professionals. So for that, I've already made my API key. AI Studio will have get API key. Again, I will share the link with you. And again, yes, from here you can again click on the create API key. Again, I'm sharing the chat box. You can go for the Gemini API key also. You can get an API key for Gemini from here. The link I've shared in the chat box. It's working. It's working for me. Everyone, have you got your API key for both Gemini and okay, one I've got. Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Yes, yes, it's fine. It's fine. I'm waiting for you guys. Once you're done, you can just give me a thumbs up. If you're facing any issues, you can just share your error or maybe the query in the chat box. Because without this API key, we won't be able to work. We one done. I've got one response saying done. What about others? Is it done? Okay, fine. Two says done. So yes, I guess all of you are ready with your APIs, both the APIs. So I guess I can move ahead, right? Yes, everyone. Yes, again a thumbs up will be helpful. Okay, fine, fine. I have got two, three response saying yes. So we'll start with the coding now. Fine. Uh, so here I've imported some of the required libraries. So I will be working on some of my keywords here. I will do one thing. I will just copy paste my this thing, my APIs. Please give me a moment. I will run and then I will share my screen to you. So you can have your own APIs in the same place. Yes, so I have run my code here. So as you can see here, LangChain tracing v2, I'm passing it as true. LangChain API, I have already run my code. Fine. You can just have your own LangChain, Langsmith thing, paste here. Fine. And afterwards, this will be common. The link from where we are trying to like retrieve your LangChain, there is a LangChain endpoint, name of the project, which means the description of your project, and here will be your Google API. So I've already run the code. Accordingly, I have already I've done with all the things. So here you are supposed to work now. So you please copy paste. I will do one thing. I'll just copy paste this one for you guys. So you can work directly. It's fine. I have already shared this thing with you. So zoom means yes, I have zoomed a bit. Yes, so you can copy paste this one. Meanwhile, I will move ahead. So I'm saying from my LangChain Google Gen AI, I'm trying to import chat Google Gen AI. Yes, I'm trying to import chat Google Gen AI. So here I will be I'm basically making my model to work on it. So let's just run this. Some error is, what's the error? Chat Gen AI unable. So let me just do one thing. GENERATIV generative AI. Let's see if it works. Yeah, so this command is working well for me. LangChain underscore Google underscore Gen AI import chat Google generative AI. So here I will be working. Basically, I'm trying to go for a model here. Fine. I will be taking the model one from the Google's official place. We have got various, like we have got Gemini, we have got Gemini 1.5, we have got Gemini 2.2, Gemini 2.5, 2.5 Flash, 2.5 Flash latest. So we have got n number of models. Every models we have got some unique, sorry, n number of tokens. You exceed the token, you're supposed to change your model. Fine. So for the model, I can just go to my say, model Gemini model or the Google model types. Fine. Here we have got Gemini 2.5. I will share this link also with you. Fine. So if required, then you can just go and refer the models, what different models we can use for our part. So I have shared the link with you. Fine. Yes. I've shared the link with you. So here, once you go for the link, maybe I can just share my entire screen. So then even you can see what I'm doing, how much, where I'm doing what. 1 second, please. Yes, see Gemini. So if you scroll down, as you can see here, Gemini 2.5 Pro for the images. Yes. So as we can see, image, video, pricing, then again libraries. As you can see, I'm talking about the text maybe. So I'm talking about the text. Scroll down. Are we able to see the list? No. So we have over here one. And as you can see, Gemini models. Gemini. See 2.5 Pro, then again 2.5 Flash, 2.5 flashlight for text. Output will be a text. So we can just use whatever you want. Again, all of them, they have got some the limit. Fine. Again, if you ever see that term deprecated, that means it has been removed. So you cannot work on that thing. So please make sure. Do not use the one where you have got the keyword deprecated. So again, you can see here what are different, this thing is required, different versions and the tokens, how much tokens we have got, input token, output token limit. So you can go for a number of these things. Fine. So as you can see here, the different models and their specific model names. Fine. So here you can just take the help of this one. One of the best one that I feel is 2.5 Flash and 1.5 Flash. I can go for the latest one. I can just search. I remember the latest one we had. Maybe that has been deprecated. I'm not sure, but it was one of the good. So maybe 1.5. Yeah, maybe I can go for 1.5 Flash. Yeah, that one thing can be taken into picture. So it will go for 3000 maximum video length. No, I want to go for my text only. Yes, output will be text. As you can see, token is also very good. So let me just go for my this 1.5 Flash. If you feel, yes, feel free to go for any others. Yes, you can go for Flash also. You can go for Gemini 2.5 Pro also. Fine. So here I'm going for my code again. So I have passed temperature, but here I'm supposed to pass my model also. Fine. So I'm passing my model here. Model is equal to which one? Let's just say I'm working on Gemini 1.5 Flash. Yes. So I'm passing a part here. It is convert underscore system message to him. I wanted the terms of the human format. So yes, I'll pass it as true. Let's just see any error. Maybe no. Just pass the keyword model. Let's see. As you can see, it is using Gemini models 1.5 Flash. So and so API key, it won't be visible to anyone. Fine. So by default, it won't get visible. So as you can see here, I have tried getting my this one. So if I just simply pass a very simple model, it is model dot invoke. I'm passing a very simple message that is hi dot content. Let's see what machine says. Okay, still running. See, machine is giving me some reply. Hi, hi there. How can I help you? So maybe you can just try it once, everyone. Okay, I'm getting something in the chat box. Uh, convert message. It's deprecated. You can try even you're getting no. It is not yet deprecated, so you can still work. So accordingly, it will give you the output with itself. First four lines of the everyone done. Fine, let's go for a very specific, like a very proper output. So parser is equal to str output parser. So I'm passing this command. Also, I'm saying parser dot invoke bracket open model dot invoke bracket. I'm passing hi. Let's run. As you can see, I'm able to get a very proper specific output. Let's just say I want to go like the conversation should go till some interruption has been made or some specific command is done. So for that purpose, what I will do, I'll just try to go for my LangChain here. So what I will say, from LangChain underscore core, I'm trying to import, sorry, dot messages. I'm trying to import something called as human message. Fine. So also I'm passing while I'm able to perform the like this while true. I'm working with a message will be given by the user. Yes, I will just say write or I'll just say enter. Enter your query or prompt, whatever you feel like passing. Very simple, like it is a Python level, basic level code. If message is equal to break, sorry, is equal to buy or maybe goodbye something, then I want the machine to break. So the machine will say print by thank you for interacting. A simple message. Fine. Have a great day. Simple message. And then a break. That is a stop. Or else I want my machine, or else I want my machine to go till the end. Like machine will go and giving me some message. So here I'll just say password invoke dot model dot invoke message, whatever the user is passing, but not a simple message. I want the human message. Human message where the content will be the message given by the user. Let's see if any error. Query, let's just say hi. Sorry, some error is LangChain base message. Give me a moment, please. Let's just say bracket open, bracket close, bracket open, bracket close. It's correct only. Let's just see what's the error. Let's see what's the error. Might be a bracket error, maybe. Okay, so it says, okay, square bracket was missing. Fine, a square bracket was missing. So we are supposed to have this thing and then we're supposed to run. Let's see. Let's just say machine says, we say hi. Machine will say, how are you? Hi, how can I help you today? Then maybe I can pass a message. Guys, please help me. What should I pass? How are you? Let's just say a simple thing. How are you? Let's just say what the man says. Yes, I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I am fine. Yes, is there anything I can help you with? Yes, help me with the concept of let's see if it works or not. Let's see. So machine is taking some time. It is going for the overall the backend database, trying to collect data from there. As we can see, LangChain is a framework developing applications interacting with LM chains, prompt. It is giving a very good answer, like similar to almost like the chat GPT. And for this thing, I want to stop. Let's just say bye. Interacting, and that has been done. Yes, you can see this is how the machine works. So, but to overcome this problem, I'm getting this thing, right? Local UI. So I will just, that is something called as error. So I'll just pass my import error also. So let me just say I'm passing error on the first cell itself. So import warnings, warnings dot filter warnings, ignore. Right? So after doing this, we won't be able to, like, we won't have any error. So let's just say hi or the warning. See, there is no warning now. If I just say bye, there won't be any specific this thing. So we are getting, thank you for interacting. Have a great day. Clear, everyone? Yes, you can try it once. After this, so this is how the LangChain works. Fine. So what I will do now, I will just include the memory part also. That is LangChain. We will be working with the memory part. So the concept is called as LangChain with memory because that plays a very important role, right? So we will be going for the LangChain. Okay, it says string output is not defined. So we are supposed to import this library first. You can see here. So this was the one I tried checking it is already installed, imported properly, yes or no. So you're supposed to import this library as well. And so here I have tried importing the required library and then we are making our machine interact. So now we'll work with the memory part as well. Yes, where we will be giving some data and we'll ask the machine to give the output. Once done, you can just give me a thumbs up or maybe yes or maybe go. Everyone done? There is some error. Must be a prompt value. Can you please share the screen? Oh, sorry, can you please share the screenshot? Maybe we might have missed something in your code. If you're using Google Colab, the preferred platform, in that case, you will have an option called as explain error. You can just maybe ask Gemini directly. So that one thing can be used that will solve your error. Okay, I've got in the chat box now. It is still loading. One second, I need to download the image. Invalid syntax. Please, can you remove this second last line? The second last line is not required. You're getting some error, right? Second last line is actually not required. You can remove second last line. Okay, everyone, is it done? So can I move forward? Okay, fine. So here, since this part is ready, let's just say I'm now trying to work on the memory. So see, using a pre-trained model is completely fine. It is very easy to work with. Fine. So here, what I'm trying to do now, I'm just trying to include the memory part also, which means we will be asking our machine to have something called as in-chat memory, run that memory, and based on that give me the AI message. So we will be working on this factor. So here let's just say we are working on the memory part. So I will be passing from LangChain underscore core dot. I'm trying to work on my chat history. I'm trying to import my in memory something. Yeah, in memory chat history. Similarly, from LangChain dot core, LangChain dot core dot runables, we have got runables dot, we have got history dot history, we have got. I'm trying to import something called as runnable message. Yes. Also, I'm trying to import from LangChain core dot messages. I'm trying to import AI messages. Yes, let's go for human also. Let's run. Any error? No error. So I will be working on my result is equal to the model above that we have used, that is Gemini 1.5 or 2.5, what we have used. I'm trying to invoke, I'm trying to invoke, sorry, dot invoke, bracket open. Here we are passing some message, sorry. We are passing some, what is that? That is the human message. What is the human message? That is the content. Yes. So I'm now feeding my machine. So here what I'm trying to do, I'm basically feeding my machine. Yes. So what we're trying to do as a feeding part, that is I'm just trying to say, hi, hello. Or let me just say I'm passing hello. I'm passing hello. And here I'm saying, let's just say, uh, Ritik this side, or maybe, let's just say Ritik this side. Fine. Very simple message. Fine. Here I am passing that as per that AI message should be generated saying that hello Ritik, hello Ritik. Let's just say how are you? Yes. Or maybe I can say how can I assist you today? How may I help you? So multiple things, that's totally your Okay, everyone, as you can see here, we have done this. Fine. So we have like basically made our machine to work. That is hello Ritik this side. So machine is basically asking, sorry, saying me, hello Ritik, how are you? I am asking my machine, what's my name? Let's run. Any error? No error. So here, let me just say I'm passing parser dot invoke res. Let me just say it is giving me the response yes or no. What's my name? See, can you see? Even though I have not asked my machine, your name is Ritik, I have not passed your name is Ritik. Still, based on the understanding of the keywords, the machine can say, okay, that yes, your name is Ritik. Yes. Suppose I want to store this part. I'll just use the keyword store. Store is equal to along with key and value. That's all done. Fine. Yes, everyone. So you can please note down till here and let me know if you're facing any issues or any doubt or anything. Yes, for the error, yes, you can just share the screenshot in the chat box and I will be able to understand better. For import statement is running from past 3 minutes. So you can do one thing, sir. You can just try reconnecting. So how to reconnect? You can just click here and you can just see change runtime type or maybe connect to local time, or you can just click on your runtime and you can just say restart session and run all. You can just click on this one. Is it done, everyone? Any error you're facing, you can please share this screenshot in the chat box. Yes, can we move ahead then? Or thumbs up is okay. Okay, fine. I got few thumbs up and yes, saying yes, fine. So let's move ahead. Let's proceed with the next part. My machine here understood very well about the name, that is Ritik. How come? If you remember yesterday, we have discussed about the keywords. Before that, we also understood that how my machines can work and work with the data, store data, and basically understand the prompts and process and everything. Yes. So here also, when we are talking about our machine, so we have basically made our machine to work. So here we have also asked our machine to store. Yes. As you can see here, we have asked the command to store. Now my machine has stored the data, talking about so and so factor. Yes. So now moving forward here, when I'm talking about our data, let's just say one thing. Might be a chance multiple times you come on the platform, multiple time you can ask some other queries. The machine should have all the data stored, machine should have all things stored for all the different sessions, the session number or the chat number. Let's just go for the function for the same thing. So here we are trying to make the session for every chat we do. Let's just say get. Here we will be willing to go with the specific chat. Fine, we will be willing to go for this specific chat here. Let's just say that suppose I go for one specific chat, a new chat. Again, a specific ID will be given for the same thing. Yes. And that will be related to what? To the base chat history. Okay, my machine is giving me something. Session ID not in store, ID is equal to in chat memory history return store ID. That's correct. The code, the overall code is correct. Let's see any error. Base message is not assigned. So here maybe I need to import that one. We'll take some shortcut. We'll ask our machine to give me that one, then accordingly we can move that also. Yes, so we'll just accept and run, that's all. Then my task got easy. Fine. So we have basically made our AI to help with our GenAI code also. So that's how the things can be like things can be used, things can be done. Fine. Moving forward, here we have tried making the data. Now I'm trying to go for my configuration. So I'm just saying config is equal to. I'm trying to go for my configuration, CONFI or configurable. That will be given the session ID for by default as first chat, FIRST, first chat. Let's see any error over here. No error. So let me just say model underscore new variable with memory is equal to, if you remember, we have imported already runnable with message history, model config history. That's correct. Let's run any error. Yes, we have got some error. Fine. As you can see here, 1 second, please. Okay, responding on its own. Let me just say here to make it much more easier. Now, see, simple one. Done. That's all. So now here, let's just say model underscore with memory. I'm trying to invoke message. Hi, I'm Ritik. No. Fine config done. Let me just say here I'm passing shortcut, that is content. I don't have to have like write multiple lines of blocks of code. Model with memory, invoke, text and passing, or maybe let's just say human message, content is equal to hi, I am Ritik, close, close, dot config dot content. Let's see this one. If it works, still some error. See here, I'm getting some response here. Hi, I'm Ritik. See, machine is now basically able to generate, basically get the data from the previous one. Yes, see. Hi, Ritik. Nice to meet you. How can I help you today? So here we have basically tried making our machine in the terms of my the memory. Similarly, if I just say the same thing, and if I just hi, I'm Ritik, I just ask what is my name. Let's just see this one if it works or not. Sorry, autocorrect is there. Inbuilt. What is my name? See, we are still able to get yes. Your name is Ritik. Machine reading the data for me. Fine. So yes, everyone, you can please try the function name, the configure, the memory, and everything. And now we will be trying to save this in a second chat. So this one thing will be done. Meanwhile, if you have got any doubt, any queries, yes, I'm here to help you out. When it errors, you can just share the screenshot in the chat box. Guys, are you able to get the output? Everyone? Are you able to get the output? I'm in the chat box. Are you able to get the output? If yes, then fine. If no, then you can just share your screenshot of the screen, like which says the error name or the whole error. Yes, everyone done. If done, yes, you can please give me a thumbs up or maybe yes or maybe okay. Accordingly, I can move ahead. Okay, I've got one chat box. I've got one screenshot. Not be from the value string list of base message. Ma'am, you can try writing the keyword content properly. Content. Here you have wrote is content, and so you have wrote CONTNET. So the command is CONTENT. And then config is fine. Dot content is also fine. So you can place human message inside the bracket. You're supposed to say content, CONTENT, not CONTNET. You can just please cross check the keyword over there. Everyone done? Yes, is it done? Can I move forward? A thumbs up, maybe yes, or maybe okay in the chat box. Okay, fine. I have got one thumbs up. Okay, fine. I've got 4-5 thumbs up. Let's move forward. Fine. Here, as we can see, we have made the first chat done. Now I want to save this in my second chat. How that can be done? The same thing. Yes, so I can just pass configurable session ID. Instead of first, I'll just write the term second chat, and here I can just pass my config to see. As you can see, second chat has been done. Now I have a small query. Model with memory, invoke, human message, what is my name, config. I have a small question here for everyone. If I run this code, will I get the output? Yes, maybe a yes or no in the chat box will be helpful. If I run this code now, the one which is visible on your screen, we will get the output yes or no. If yes, then what will be the output? If no, then why not? If yes, then what will be the output? If no, then why no? Yes. So we'll get the output. Okay, fine. I've got few response saying yes in the chat box. What about others? We will get the output yes or no. If yes, then what will be the output? If no, then why no? Okay, I'm getting some no also in the chat box. Yes, everyone. If yes, then what will be the output? If no, then why not? Come on. I'm waiting for your response. After running this code, will we get the output? Yes or no? If yes, then what will be the output? If no, then why not? Okay, fine. I'll just help you a bit here. I've run the code. Here the machine says, I do not know your name. I have no access to personal information about you unless explicitly provided to me. Now here my question is why we are getting this answer? Fine. So yes, proper output is not there. We have got some problem here. It is saying that I don't have access. Correct. So now here my question is why? Why it is giving me such kind of statement instead of giving my name? Secured information is not provided. Okay, yeah, that's why we are unable to get the output, why we are getting something like this, a small message. Session is different, correct? Here we have exactly, here the session has been changed. Yes, basically here for every session the data is getting secured, so we will be able to retrieve those things based out if for that specific session only, or else no, or else no. Similar, exactly, new memory has been made, right? Because we are working LangChain with memory. So here if I just say config is equal to, and here I'm passing first chat, and then I'm passing config here. Yes, accordingly I've passed store also. Fine, as you can see, first chat, what is the memory? Yes, similarly you can just go for multiple factors here, correct? If I just search for the second chat now, control A, control C. See, first chat accordingly we'll get for second also. Yes, accordingly we go for n number of chats, whatever we define, we can get for all of that part. Correct. This is how the memory works. This is how the memory works. Similarly, if I just move ahead with some more factor, fine. If I just move ahead with one more factor, like example, let's just say that I'm trying to go for the I'm passing some sort of template now. Yes, that is the suppose by default we get some response, right? If I just say hi, the machine will say hello, I'm fine, how are you? So the machine will ask me something. There's something called the by default template. So now we are working on the template. So what I'll just say here, from LangChain underscore core, I'm trying to import here dot prompts, PROM dot prompts, that is template. I'll just pass chat prompt template. I will pass message placeholder also. Let's run. Right, see, machine is working well for me. Moving ahead, let's just say I'm passing a small prompt here with the help of my library chat prompt template. That is from message, whatever the messages comes into picture. Yes. So what I pass, let's just say I'm passing one given by the system. That is, let's just say a small message. You are help. Okay, machine is giving me something by default, some suggestions. You are helpful assistant. Here I'm passing some message placeholder variable in chat history. This is not required. Let's just see if we are able to get the output. Close, run. Fine. So here let me just say chain is equal to, I'm passing a prompt or the model. So here let's just say chain dot invoke, I'm working on the message. Let's just say hi, I am Raj. Some problem, 1 second please. Okay, chat history expected, chat underscore history. Let's just see what's the error. Okay, fine. As you can see, we are able to get something. Fine. Similarly, I want to get a proper output as a history. See, machines basically give me what is my name. Hi Raj, it's nice to meet you. How can I help you today? Yeah, this is how we are basically making our machines with respect to session ID, and accordingly we are able to get some output also. Yes, you can please note down this as well. So here we are working with our machines memory. Yes, creating multiple session. Out of that, we are able to make our machine to give the output based on the prompt what we have passed. Yes, based on the prompt what we have passed. So we will have the session history for this also. We'll try to have the third chat or third session for this one. Session ID will be equal to third chat. Yes, once done, you can give me a thumbs up. If you're getting any error or anything, you can just again post your query in the chat box. Maybe you can just share the screenshot also. Yes, I hope we are able to get the output. If any issues, any error, you can just share this screenshot in the chat box. Is it done? Are you able to get the output? Guys, is it done, everyone? Is it done? Are you able to get the output, or you are facing any issues? Yes, if you're facing any issues, you can please share in the chat box. Okay, fine. See, there's nothing in the chat box and I'm getting thumbs up. It means that you guys are able to get the output. Let's move ahead. Let's go for the next part. So I'm saving this whole conversation in my third chat as my third chat. So what I can just say, I can just say config is equal to, I can just say configurable. Fine. I'm passing it to be, sorry. Configurable session ID is equal to third chat. That's correct. So here, if I want, I can just go for my config here. Fine. Let's go for the next one now. Underscore with memory, model underscore with underscore memory. I'm trying to invoke the data now. Fine. I'm trying to invoke. Hi, I'm Raj dot config. Let's see. We're getting some error. Okay. A valid here. Again, that will be some minor errors that we have missed as we are using suggestions directly. So might be a chance we are getting some error. So instead of you typing everything, yes, I'm taking the help of AI here. Yes. So that will be very easy for me to move ahead. Fine. As we can see here, we are able to get the output. Similarly, let's just say I'm trying to go for the new part now. Yes. I'm trying to say that response is equal to, what is my name? Let's run. See, hello Raj. That is, it's nice to meet you. Also, sorry. Also, if I just say that I am going for some other task, not the one that I have trained, but I'm going for some other task. So here, what is my name? If I just say, what is 2 plus 2 or maybe 2 plus 5, let's run. Yes. If I just pass, sorry, here, response with memory, response model with memory, human message, content 2 plus 5, config is equal to config. Slight error, response model dot history. As you can see here, not just the simple one, but yes, I have asked a very simple mathematical, even though I have passed in the string. See, machine is giving me the outcome. Similarly, if I just pass control A C, here I'm passing control V, here I'm passing what is rag, define or tell me in detail. See, very simple as I've passed. Let's see if it is able to give me the response properly, yes or no. As you can see, rag, we are getting a very proper definition of the whole thing. Yes. So I'm asking, tell me in detail, explain with example. See, I'm just improvising my this thing, my prompt. As you can see, example, see examples without rag and with rag. Yes, this is how your machine can work. So here we are basically taking the help of your technique and accordingly we're able to get the output. Fine. So yes, you can just try working this one as well. Yes. Okay, so I can see there are few things in the chat box. Give me a moment, please. I will read one by one as I was busy working on the code now. Please share. Yeah, I will share the collab after this session. The session ends, it will be shared. So you can get our LMS. Attendance link will be shared by some time. Today we are having urgent meeting. Okay, fine. Then, yes, thank you so much about the variable name. Fine. I have got some queries in the chat box, reply done. And then, yes, you have got your feedback link. Yes, you can fill the form. Once done, let me know. Accordingly, we'll go for tuning your conversation. Like there's something called as streaming the conversation. We'll work with that. Done, everyone? Once done, you can just post okay, yes, or maybe thumbs up. If you're facing any issues, you can just pass, you can just share your screenshot, or maybe you can just type your error. Okay, I've got 2 response saying yes, done. 3, 4, 5. Fine. So I understand that you guys have performed it. You guys are able to get the output. I guess there is no problem or error working with your model, working with your code. Let's move ahead. So I will be working with something called a stream message. So from LangChain underscore core dot messages, I'm trying to import system message. I'm trying to work with a trim message. I'm trying to work with my trim. Let's just see. Mostly you might see some issues while working with every. Please cross check on it. Yes, you might see some error. Mostly no, but yes, sometimes you might see. So you just let me know if you're facing any issue with this library also. Fine. I am not sure what will be the command here. Fine. I'm not sure what will be the command here. As you can see, mush suggesting me something max token is equal to 100, model is equal to model. But not just this thing, but we have got various command to work with. So let's just say strategy, strateggy, strategy is equal to recent, fine. Let's just say token counter, token underscore counter, get num totals. It's actually models only required. Fine. I will just say include underscore system message true. Let's just say include underscore system true, fine. Let's just say allow partial not required. Let's just say start underscore on is equal to human. Let's see any error or not. So no error. We can move ahead. Let's just say I'm passing a message. What are the messages? Sorry. What are the messages? Human message, first of all. Hi, my name is Ritik. AI message will be something. Content is equal to simple hi. Accordingly, one human message will be there. What is my name? Let's find. What is my name? Accordingly, AI, my name is Ritik. Fine. Human, what is my age? I'm just following the suggestion, auto suggestion part. I am 20 years old. Fine. No. Human age content is equal to, let's just say I'm passing what is 20 divided by 5. Fine. So here I'll just pass my message. Fine, 4, let it be 4. If I want to pass few more things again, I can pass it. Let's run. Let's see. Message done. So let me just say model dot get underscore num underscore tokens, which we have imported about messages. Tokens. I'm working from my message, right? So from. So we have got around 59 words. So if I just say my trimmer, the keyword that we have made, invoke of my messages. And if I, sorry, error is there. Include message. Include message. Model. This is supposed to remove the model also. Still there are some errors. So okay, I'll just cross check this one. Okay, recent is not there. Let's just say last. Here recent is there, right? Let me just pass last. Let's see now. Yes, machine is taken the input. So now we can just make my part to work. Fine. Meanwhile, yes. So you please note down this first part accordingly move ahead. Yes, LangChain one. LangChain and the message AI and the human accordingly we can move ahead. So please note down this one. I hope you are trying. Let me know if you have got any issues and any errors. Meanwhile, I will just go with my chat box. Let me just see if any problem or any error is there with anyone. Uh, okay, the command. Okay, so how do I? So I have got the queries saying how do you remember the command? See, the thing is, while working with the models, I usually prefer the documentations. Yeah, I refer the documentations. I work on those. Yes, as you have seen, the Gemini, that is the Google Colab itself, if it was giving you multiples of suggestions. Again, it became easy for me. I do know very well how to solve the error. So yes, I was working with that also. Fine. So there are multiple ways to work with the models. Again, yes, you can just take the help of some existing model and accordingly you can work ahead. So even that one thing can also be taken into picture. So working is not a problem. You have got various platforms, various resources, so that one thing can be very useful. You should know how to use those platforms for your own practice or maybe the project work. Yes, it will be shared over LMS post session. Yeah, hi. Am I audible now? I guess there was some network glitch, my glitch, I'm not sure. I was speaking, I got some red warning symbol here. Am I audible now? Maybe a thumbs up will work. Okay, okay, fine, fine. Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Attendance link have been shared with you. You can mark the attendance and you can fill the feedback form and the attendance, both the things. Done, everyone. So can I move ahead? I can proceed. Can proceed, everyone. Okay, thumbs up done. Okay, thank you so much. So let's move ahead. Here we have passed your message. I'm saying hi, my name is Ritik. I have passed your data. After this, I've just tried to take the number of tokens. I'm able to get the response also. Yes, I'm able to get the response also. So when we move forward, when we go for the like checking the outcome or the output, like how the output. Am I audible, everyone?
Yes, now you are audible, sir.
Yes. So here I was asking about the message, that is the trimmer message. Fine. So here 25.4. Okay, fine. So I'm just asking about invoke messages. Let's just run this. Reconnecting. It might take some time. 1 second, please. I will move ahead. Sorry. Turn on. So, yes. So here we are passing model dot get underscore num underscore tokens underscore from message. As you can see here, number of tokens what we have got. So if I just ask for the prompts here, as you can see, if I ask for the prompts here, what are the multiple prompts the user might have asked? Fine. This basically talks about the overall thing. Accordingly, if I move ahead about the overall prompt, my machine will be giving this equal to. So I'm just passing my again inbuilt template. I'm passing my from underscore. So here what I have got. Here I have got is system, that is your helpful assistant. Variable name is history. Maybe cross check this one. Open close, open close, open close, bracket close. Let's see any error. Says yes, error, invalid syntax. It will be a comma here. Sorry. As you can see prompt here, if I just pass my messages, MESSA. So here I'm just trying to work on this thing. And similarly, if I just pass my, see, yes. So this is how basically I try to make my machine work with the new input or the ways of making our machine work with the overall factor. Let's go for the last block of code for today's part. The last block of code, and also I'm almost done with the time, so I won't take much of your time. This thing plus whatever the human messages is passed for the content what I am willing to ask. Let's just say I'm asking what's my name. Very simple thing, close open bracket. See, let's say, and here, hi, my name is Ritik. Yes, accordingly, you can see. Similarly, if I just talk about the simple message, let's just see how my machine responds to this one now. As you can see. So here we are basically trying to make our machine understand and process the data. Similarly, if I just pass my LangChain runnable pass through, accordingly, the machine for this command will give you the outcome as my name is Ritik, or maybe your name is Ritik. Or yeah, my name is Ritik, right? So yeah, the machine will give you your name is Ritik. This is how the overall the LangChain work. So yes, this code will be shared with you. Based on today's session, a small task will be assigned to you, a small homework, because this will be somewhere useful for tomorrow's session when we will be working with a proper LangChain model. So here, what will be the task? I want you guys to pass runnable pass through the one above we have passed, and I want you guys to get the output. That is, my name is Ritik. Yeah, the output should be your name. My name is ABC or XYZ, whatever your name is. Fine. So again, the block is same. You can take the reference of the above cells, and accordingly you can run and you can get the output. Okay, everyone. Accordingly, you can run and you can get the output. Yes, a thumbs up will help me. Okay, fine. So yes, guys, that's what we had for today's session. Like we have discussed many things about the LangChain. We have discussed about the LangChain chatbot. We have discussed about the LangChain with the memory part also. Multiple sessions we have made, multiple information we have passed. So we have like discussed about very much things about the LangChain. Tomorrow's session we will be working with sorry. Tomorrow we will be working with maybe with your RAG application. We will try to work with your RAG implementation, or maybe we'll work with your VQA, visual question and answer. So there are a few things that we will be discussing by tomorrow. Yes. So again, tomorrow, yes, be present, because tomorrow we will be discussing lot of new concepts, different unique concepts, and the a proper hands-on model also. Fine. Meanwhile, yes, if you have any doubt, any queries, I'm here to help you out. The code, regarding the code, yes, it will be shared with you by the end of the session. Any doubt, any queries? Sorry, any doubt, any queries, anyone? The Python notebook has been shared. It will be soon uploaded on your LMS. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, any queries, you may ask, or else we can proceed with the next part. I guess nothing. I guess no doubts, no queries. So, Ms. Sushmita, are you there?
Yeah, yes, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, over to you.
Yeah, sure. We can wind up for the day. Thank you, sir. We'll meet again by tomorrow at 3 p.m. Thank you so much. Okay, so dear faculty members, the attendance link has been shared many times in the chat. I request you all to mark your attendance without any fail. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for joining. We'll meet again by tomorrow at 3 p.m. Thank you, everyone. Yes, some are asking for the attendance link again and again. Okay, I'll be sharing the attendance link once again in the chat. Let me wait for 2 more minutes. I request you all take the attendance link. Then I'll wind up it. And some are asking about yesterday's attendance link. As yesterday only I informed, previous day attendance link can't be shared. I request you all please not to ask for yesterday's or day before yesterday's attendance link.